Alright guys, so as you can see by the thumbnail, I just purchased my first truck ever. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here she is. So we have a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT extended cab. I mean, she's in pretty, I would say, rough conditions. Anyway, so what we're gonna do today is clean her up. I just got it registered and licensed and all that good shit. So we're gonna clean it up and make it look nice. Oh, one more feature I forgot to show you. Bam! The Walmart special. We got that coming. No worries. So let's get it started. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try and clean this engine bay. Yeah, we're gonna try to clean up this engine bay as much as we can. You know, make it look somewhat presentable. Then we're gonna work on the exterior. It should be fun. All right, guys, so it's a whole new day. One, my battery died. Two, had to go to work. And yeah, so today we are going to be canceling everything I told you. When I first purchased this vehicle, it had a very, very small head gasket leak. And I was panicking because I don't really know much about cars. So called my mechanic. He was like, you want to take a chance, 50-50. I wouldn't spend no more than $500 on that car, on that truck. Well, me being the guy that I am, you know, I bought the truck anyway. Ended up going to get some of that Blue Devil leak sealer, head gasket sealer. And I'll tell you one thing, man. That shit works. The truck's been sitting for a while. I already took out that Blue Devil and filled it up with the coolant that it needs, but I didn't put the thermostat in there. Reason being is I didn't want the engine to get too hot, and for some reason it didn't seal properly or whatever. So I've been driving it without a thermostat for a while, for about a week now, and it hasn't spiked once. It hasn't went past the halfway mark, not once. Of course, there's no thermostat in it. So like I said, we're going to be changing out the thermostat. So what I actually need is a bucket, because I want to save, the coolant that I put in there, because it's literally a week old. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Now, no way am I an expert at doing this, but this is relatively easy, especially on these Dodge Rams. So that's the old seal, which it doesn't really look too bad. And I am going to be getting my new thermostat with the new seal. So let's go and put these things in. I may need this. Boom. So here's your new thermostat. And it already comes with the seal. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. And now it's time to put it in. All right, guys, so I got the thermostat here. Now I'm gonna put it in. And by the way, if you see something that I could have done better or something that would benefit me, please leave a comment in the comment section. I greatly appreciate it. But let's install this. Let's stick this in here first. See, I'm sticking it in the housing first because I believe that's how you're supposed to do it. And it just makes more sense, you know, in honesty. So that's that. This is the longest damn bolt I ever seen in my life for something so small. Don't. You know, make sure I don't over tighten it. That should be good. All right. All right, so what I'm actually gonna do now is I'm gonna pour that back into my radiator, and whatever else I need, I'm gonna go half and half with that. And hopefully that does it. And then after that, we can check and see what the temperature looks like. All right, so even though I may have wasted like half of what I needed, it's cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my keys, I'm gonna start it up, watch the pressures, and add more as I need it, and then I will bleed it when I'm done. All right, so I got my keys, and let's see what it does. Ugh. right, so we're gonna let this warm up a little and then come back and see how it does. I'm gonna wait for that thermostat to open up. All right, guys, so that's it as far as it's going. I'm very, 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 very satisfied. Before, it would just slowly creep up to like in between the halfway mark and hot, and yeah, that's what it is. See, if you're not a big fan of Blue Devil, cool, but as long as you follow the directions, you should be good. Once again, it's your boy HVAC Cool J, and I am no expert on a truck or fixing trucks, but this is my cheap truck that I bought. Mainly, oh, let me show you guys. So the reason why I bought that truck is, one, to haul that thing back there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it now. That's why I bought it. So yeah, that we'll be hauling that. Okay. So stay tuned for more fishing trips, more fishing videos, things of that sort. And this is gonna be my money maker. When I'm not at work and I get to scrap things or whatever, I just needed a truck overall. Not only to pull my boat, but you know, so that way I can make some money.